We begin tonight with calls to limit outdoor activities as smoke fills the skies across southern Ontario. One of the hardest hit areas is right here in Hamilton. Jason Gaidola joins us live from St. Lawrence Park. Can barely see anything behind you, Jason.
Yeah, that's right, Taz. The smoke has been filling the skies here in Hamilton, and this has prompted the city of Hamilton and the fire department to issue a fire ban on all open air burning immediately. That means no campfires, no wood burning appliances or anything of that sorts, because the air quality has been quite poor throughout the day and in the last few days, and they're mentioning to everyone to take precaution as if you are going to head out. And environment and health officials say that if you do plan on heading out, probably wouldn't hurt to mask up. At the edge of St. Lawrence Park, those out for a walk were grabbing a snapshot of the thick smoke blanketing the Hamilton skyline.
You can't see the lake, you can't see the bridge, you can't see anything.
According to the province's air quality index today, Hamilton and the Halton region are experiencing the worst air quality, leaving many at risk breathing in the air.
Air quality, I think it's getting worse now.
As wildfires in Quebec and northeastern Ontario continue to burn, smoke continues to head south in Ontario and into cities across the eastern portion of the United States.
The city of Hamilton has been receiving a hefty amount of that haze that we can certainly see in the sky. Some of us are certainly smelling it and feeling in the back of our throats as well.
Environment Canada says if you are going to be outside today, to wear a certified N95 mask to help give you the best protection and to reduce those fine particles and smoke. Hamilton's public school board says it kept students indoors today, and the city of Hamilton issued a fire ban and advised residents to monitor for symptoms such as wheezing, chest tightness, and breathing difficulties.
We have received reports of, some people calling and say they believe it's the smoke that's triggering their respiratory symptoms and things like that. But again, we know the smoke is here. We've seen the warnings and the advice.
Hamilton Public Health says people should check the province's air quality index throughout the day, and the at-risk population should take caution.
So when the air quality is at a high, so it's above 7, the recommendations indicate that one should avoid strenuous outdoor activities.
Health officials also say to remain indoors with the windows closed and install quality air filtration inside. They say wildfire smoke contains particles and gases identified as cancer-driving pollutants.
I don't think we're there yet in places like Ontario and Quebec or Montreal and Toronto, but if this becomes the new normal and we experience this every summer, the way that the West has been experiencing it every summer, then I think it does then become relevant to long-term health.
This afternoon, other municipalities have begun to take precautions. There's been fire bans in St. Catharines, Burlington, and in Niagara Falls. City officials say they have paused its fireworks program. So a lot of precautions are being taken all across the regions as air quality remains to be at a high risk. It's beginning to taper off a little bit as of right now, and it's expected to as we head into the night, but the index is indicating that tomorrow will be right back to where we were earlier today. So officials are saying that expect smoke to linger just for possibly a few more days at least.